Good morning, guys. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start off with some good news. We just opened up this compartment. I've been waiting for this day for about 2 months now, and it has finally come. Guys, say hello to my brand new Champion inverter 4500 watt generator. I've been waiting on this generator for I think at least 2 months now. If you're new to the channel, I know we got a lot of new subscribers, so I'll catch you up. We were running this generator before we were running that generator in the back, and it lasted about 1,500 hours, and then it threw a rod. So from the beginning, getting this generator, it was always kind of difficult to start. I think it was some kind of compression issue or something, but it would have to like pull it 2 short times and then 1 big pull, and then it would start right up. And when it's running, it was running mint, but it finally crapped out on me at 1,500 hours. Called Champion because these generators come with a 2-year warranty, and they told me to drop it off at the nearest northern tool and that they would take care of it from there. So I did that, dropped it off. About a week later, a technician called me, said, yeah, it's busted, you know, we're gonna try to get you a whole new engine assembly. So that's pretty much almost a whole new generator, with the exception of the electronic board and stuff that's in here, that the inverter itself. About a couple days later, he emails me back. He said, hey, they don't even want to do that. It's too much labor intensive, plus the parts. So they're just going to go ahead and send you a new generator out, which is awesome because I got this generator for free from Amazon because in the beginning, like I said, it was giving me issues. So they ended up just refunding me the full purchase price and sending me and letting me keep the generator. And I kind of futzed around with it and got it running, so I ended up keeping it. It took them a long time to send me this new generator. If I didn't buy that newer generator, I would have been running the onboard Onan, running through gas. It would have been super loud the whole time. And that's what me on their butt about, you know, hey, when are you sending this out? When is it coming? Because, you know, I wanted it. I don't want them to forget about me. So finally, the guy sent them another email, and she said she's going to prioritize it and make sure she expedites it and gets it out to me as soon as possible. And I think about, I don't know, I want to say another week or week and a half went by, and they finally got it to me. There is a little bit of fuel in here. Now, I'm kind of annoyed that they did this. I was kind of hoping they would just keep it in the box, and I was going to put it right in storage. I was honestly going to sell this one because it's a pull start, and I really like the electric start a lot better, especially with Sam. It's a lot easier for her to start. But he opened it, he put fuel in it, they tested it and everything, I guess, to make sure I'm good to go. And so now I want to run the fuel out of it. I can still sell it, but obviously I probably lost at least 1/3 of the value because he opened it, and now it's going to have an hour or 2 on it. I got to burn all the fuel. They put the true fuel in there. It's that pre-canned fuel. It's like ethanol free and everything, so I guess that's what they use to check it and make sure everything's running good. But I'm going to run this dry and put it in storage. I might put it on, you know, Facebook Marketplace or something. I'm not sure. If any of you are local to the area, if you guys are looking for a generator, let me know. I'll give you a good price. But I definitely think I'm going to sell this one. Like I said, I just think the electric start's a lot easier for Sam. So, yeah, good news on that. All right, guys. Well, I did go ahead. I decided that I am definitely going to sell this generator. There is a smidge of gas in it, so I'm just letting it run out. That way it doesn't sit in the carburetor. It'll stay nice and clean and empty for whoever buys it. But that's the plan for now. The sun is starting to set. Today went by so quick. We actually met up with my mechanic, and I had a little bit more work done on the RV today. I started getting another squeak, and you won't believe what it was. It was the brand new serpentine belt that I had just put on this RV about 2.5 weeks ago. It was a Duralast, I think it's Duralast brand, and I don't know, it must have been defective or something, because as soon as I upgraded it to a Continental serpentine belt, the squeak went away immediately. Unfortunately, before we tried that, we thought it was the tensioner pulley, so it was looking rough. Like it didn't have any play. Apparently it's supposed to be like spring loaded and stuff, and it's supposed to flex with the motor with how much torque you put on it. So we put a brand new one of that on, and that didn't do it. And then he was like, it's got to be the serpentine belt. So we went ahead and I returned the other one under warranty, and we put this one on, and it went away. So I got a new tensioner pulley, which is nice. I definitely needed it anyway. And now my squeak is gone too. So don't think RV life is always so cheap. Definitely have to have money on the back burner just in case. Anyway, we're gonna let this burn down for the fuel, and then we're gonna go inside. I got something else I gotta show you guys. All right, guys, I have some good news. This bad boy is about to get an awning. So, Sam's been hounding me to get to call up Camping World to see about an awning, how much it is and stuff. So we finally went over there, and well, I didn't go over there, I called him, and he told me what item number to put in to pull up an awning. For some reason, it wasn't coming up for me, so I don't know. But he told me the item number, it popped right up. Put in all my specs, 16 foot. You have to figure out what kind of hardware you need and stuff, so I figured all that out, and it comes to $749 before tax. So I just gotta go run to the bank, put a little bit more cash in the bank, and then we're gonna order it. It is back ordered. It says I'll be getting it between the 15th to the 18th of January, which is fine. I've just been having an issue finding one, so I'm just glad I found one. This is a manual awning, which is fine. I don't have to worry about the electronics, you know, screwing up and stuff. So I'm gonna go take the 40-minute ride to my bank, because there's not a bank over here. I'm gonna drop the Grom, take a nice little ride, and we're gonna order it. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then on the way, when we get back, Sam has something to show you. It's pretty cool.
In our previous video, we did the solo stove, and after we uploaded that, a subscriber messaged us letting us know that they bought us something for the solo stove, which is so nice. You didn't have to do that, but we really appreciate you sending us something. So we got this huge box, and it is heavy. So we just like cut it open. We didn't look in it yet because we wanted you guys to see too. So let's see what's in it. Da-da-da. Oh, look how cute! The little pieces of wood.
He sent us Lincoln logs. So I guess assembly required. Wow. These are actually really nice. They smell good?
No, it just smells like wood.
Smells like wood.
Oh, I love the bark on it too. It's pretty cool.
Honestly, it smells the way I thought it would.
Do you guys like my wood?
You a hedgehog? So,
you smelling it too?
These are actually pre-cut. I think they're about I'd say about 6 inches or so. They're pretty thick. And I could even take a hatchet and split these in half once more.
We're probably going to, because these look pretty big. But yeah. I mean, even if we break them in half, like all of them, we'll have like even more.
Yeah, like this is a huge box full of wood. I think it says 12 pounds or something like that. So this will last us a while. Because when I did the first initial review, I was just using like really thin twigs and stuff, and they were burning really quick. So I think this will go a lot longer.
I'm excited to try it. Don't give it to me, trying to take it.
It's a new chew toy. Yeah.
No.
Oh! Can I have that back? I don't need to get a splinter. No, I can't. I can't. Nope. I shouldn't have gave it to him. Sorry. Oh, he's mad now. Come here, I gotta. Oh, God. Ready? Ready? Whoa. So, yeah, so that's awesome. That's from Brian.
Yeah.
And that will definitely be used. I gotta get,
Today went by so fast, I couldn't even, like, get to use it.
Yes. But today, we purchased something big. And it's something we've wanted.
More expensive than the Starlink.
Yeah. But I really, it's something that the RV didn't come with, and we've really wanted it for a long time, which was...
And especially in the Florida heat.
Yeah.
We definitely need shade. Da-da-da-da! We got an awning.
Yep, I finally found one. It's through Rec Pro is the brand, and we got like a tan, and it's a manual awning. It's fine. I didn't want to start screwing with 12 volt and having to worry about wiring it up and stuff, even though I'm sure we could have.
But what doesn't make any sense is that we called Camping World, and he let us know that there was a sale going on the website. So we go on the website, and we're like, oh wow. So we put in the cart and everything, and then we're like, okay, let's run to the bank real quick, and you know, we'll finish the transaction. I don't know what happened in between that period that the sale like ended. So we had to go to another company, and we paid a little more, unfortunately. But we really wanted it, so I mean...
Yeah, I was originally going to get the Nomadic brand. And like she said, I had it in my cart, and the bank is like nowhere near where we are. It's like a 40-minute ride each way, and I took the Grom. So by the time I got back, I guess the cart like times out after a while. And it got rid of it, and when I went to go put it back in, the price was like over $1,600 when before it was like $800. So I don't know what happened, but we got the Rec Pro brand one, and it's a 16-foot awning. The arms, the roller, and the fabric came to $802 and like 57 cents or something like that. Free shipping, and we should be getting that around the 17th, I think.
We sent it to a UPS box because USPS doesn't accept stuff that's over 100 pounds, and supposedly the awning is 108.
Yeah.
So we went to a UPS store and we did ground delivery, and it's $10 to pick it up.
Yeah, it's worth it, because if I were to send it to USPS and then if they didn't like it or it's too big and they send it back, it just becomes a whole hassle.
Yeah, then you gotta wait for them to receive it in order for you to get your refund. It becomes a whole big to-do.
Yeah, so anyway, it's getting kind of late. I'm going to knock out, but we will continue this vlog in the morning. So, good night, guys.
Get down. Bye, guys.
Alright, guys, it's that day. It's dreaded laundry day. Now, normally we do our laundry in our little portable washer dryer, but we have our big, ginormous comforter that I have to get done today, and that does not fit.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay. So we're over here at this laundromat. We're going to get that done real quick, and then we're going to go enjoy the rest of our day, because it is nice out. So I just want to say that I'm super happy that we bought that little mini washer dryer, because laundry prices to do like at the laundromat have shot up. A little medium duty washing machine, $8, guys, for one load. So
it's because it's a heavy load and I wanted hot water, so they charged us an extra $1.
But still, $8 for laundry? Man.
Just imagine a family of 5 having to do laundry.
Yeah, it costs you $50 to do laundry. Alright, so while we got laundry going, I decided to exercise the onboard Onan generator. Now I'm right next to it, and now you can tell this is one of the main reasons why I don't use this thing, is because it is so damn loud, and it rattles the entire inside, and it vibrates everything, and it's loud even inside. So, plus this thing only gets, it burns half a gallon an hour, which is terrible compared to like the PowerHorse inverter that I have. That one will run 2.3 gallons for 10 hours. So, and it's way quieter. I don't have any vibration because I put it on the ground. And it's not that big a deal. I pull it out, I put it on the ground. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna let this run a little bit, keep the gears lubricated, and then go pick up our laundry and get on with the day. All right, guys, laundry is officially done, and we staked our claim here, beachside, or riverside, I should say. Got the canopy up, got Starlink out, and the beautiful river right here. So I haven't done as much fishing as I'd like to do, so today I decided to do some. So we have some frozen cut shrimp, squid and shrimp. So I'm gonna throw some on and we're gonna see if we can catch anything for dinner. Well, I didn't film it, but went pretty hard on the fishing for about 2 hours. Switched up between hard plastic baits and shrimp and squid, and I didn't get nothing. A couple nibbles, lost a couple pieces of bait, but I don't know. I never have any luck hanging out off these off the side of the river. I feel like you have to get a kayak and get further out if you really want to get some stuff. But this is what I was using, or some of it at least. Milo, no fish, man. What happened? No, you can't have it. He'll eat it. You hungry? I'll feed you inside. All right? And then Eric and Robert came by before. We were chit-chatting for a little bit, which was cool. And now apparently I have, if you guys don't follow Lewis and Chelsea on their YouTube, they ordered some parts, and now I have their parts here. I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to do with those though.
I don't know if we mentioned this before in a video, but we'll touch up on it because we had to use it today. Not for us, but for a customer. All right, he hasn't started his RV in a while, so his battery died. So we have this. We got it from Harbor Freight, and it's pretty light because I'm able to lift it, and you put the cord in here to for it to plug it into the wall, and you can take it out, and then it goes in right here. And then, you know, you got your 2 clamps going right here, which is really nice, so it's like nice and compact. And then when you take it off, you press the power button, and then when you clamp it both on together, then you have to make sure you turn this to on, or else it won't work. And within like, I don't know, a second, his RV turned on. So this is really good to have. We have it for us, but it was nice to also be able to use it for him and to actually see that it works good. So yeah. So this is definitely recommended to get if you live full time. Not even if you don't live on the road. You still should have this for your car, your truck, whatever. Again, Harbor Freight. Nice and light. Nice and compact. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. Do you want to end it, Milo? No? Okay. We're going to end this vlog. In our next video, we're going to be using the Solo Stove, so make sure that you keep an eye out for that. Hit the notification bell, that way you get notified every time we upload a video. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next one.